All right, guys, we pulled this mower out of the trash yesterday. Somebody put it on the side of the road, so I grabbed it. I don't know if it's any good or not. It's in kind of rough condition, but both of the tires, the front tires, the back tires are all right, but the front tires were off the rim. It looks like it's been sitting in the dirt for a while. So I am going to see if I can get them back on the rims. As you can see, I'm gonna try and get them back on the rims. I take that strap, and I'm gonna put the strap around the center of the tire, and I'm gonna pull it tight, and then we're gonna try and get the beads to seal on the outside and put air to it and see if we can get that to work. That's our first try, but before I do that, I'm gonna try to clean all this stuff, all this dirt and stuff off the outside of the rim so it can seal. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first, and then we'll see if we can air it up with the ratchet strap. All right, so that one took. If you notice, I had to readjust the strap, but it's on there now, and I got 20 pounds of pressure into it. I don't know if it'll leak or not. Like I said, this came out of the trash, but it had been sitting in the dirt for a while. So it's on there. That is the one way you can get these small tires and rims onto, or the tires to seal onto small rims. Just throw that strap around it. One thing you have to be aware of, if you do use the strap, when you feel or hear that there's no air rushing out of the rim and you start to see the tire start filling, you have to stop and you have to get that strap off quick. It could blow up the strap or mess something up. So when you notice that it seals and the tire expands out, you want to definitely pull the strap off of it. And I had to hit it to get it to come loose. Once you do that, it'll pop off and then the air's on there, so it's good to go. So hopefully that helps, guys.